I'm chasing your bunny, and although you may have read the thumbnail about saying that this is for the Sun Temple game that we're going to be here for our first thing, you may not understand what I'm doing here. So this is also one of the reasons why I haven't been uploading. I've been working on this secretly for quite a bit now, if you want to see it. So here is, so I just want to know, so tell me your ideas about what I should create for this one game, because this is an astronaut game and I don't know what to create for this. So I have three ideas. One, having this guy on a different planet. That, if you can see that little player up there, he is one of the players in those rocket things. So this is one of them, and this is the next. So I'm just showing you what I've done with this game. All I really want is for you to tell me what idea you have for this game. Like, as you can see, you run. So this is that. And you may think that some of these are different than my usual games. You may not understand what that necessarily is. So as you could see, there was this robot right here that was following me. So if you want to know what that is, I actually put artificial intelligence, AI, into this bot, so it'll follow me everywhere now, as you can see. So I'm just going to give you a sneaky peek on how I did this. I put this for, there's 2 players, okay, but I put this for my enemy. See, look. So my enemy ship has this is my AI, and also this has my AI. So if you want to know how I did this AI, you can request that in the comment section. And pretty much that's all I have for this game. Just comment below and tell me anything you want me to create with this game. It could be escape the planet or something. Just make sure you comment. I'm really interested. Now let's get to what we actually wanted to do. So I'm not sure about what we should start off, first of all. And it looks like, where is our scene? I don't think, yeah, I'm gonna go to a different scene. I don't really want to see this. Scenes. Demo scene. How about this? I think these both are the same. No, okay. Yeah, I'm going back. Oops, I may have triggered a glitch. Okay, let's get back. Yeah. First, I want to find a scene for this because this doesn't have a scene currently. Yeah, so the first thing I want to do is create a scene. Okay, let's see. How should I do this? Okay, I think I'm just messing everything up now. I don't know what I did. Let's revert. So if anything bad happens, just click default and you'll get it right back as usual. Okay, so I think, yes, the scene has loaded. Okay, this is what I wanted. Okay, so now let's go to this. Okay. So let's try this. Okay. I'm going to put this right here, and I'm also going to add this demo scene into my scene section, so that this is actually part of my scene. And I also want to make sure that I add another scene. So create scene. Let's call this space. And right now in here, I'm going to put my space thing. Space. So I downloaded something called Pulsar Bytes. If you want the link's in the description. Link in the description, I believe. It may not be. Okay, so let's first get to this. Oh, the reason I was searching for this is because I was in the wrong thing. I'll need to go to Package Manager. Okay, it'll just be fetching my packages, and I'll say Planet. Animated Planet. This is made by Pulsar Bytes. He's actually a really good creator. He's the same guy who made this astronaut right here. So if I say so myself, this guy's actually pretty good. All of his assets that are free and cost money are really good. So I might just put Pulsar Bytes and put a link to all of his stuff. They're really cool. So let's just see. I'm just gonna wait for it. This is a bigger asset than I expected. Okay, now I think we're done. So let's go to assets, scenes, no. Let's go to animated planet, to demo. Let's go to demo scene. And this is a demo scene that we automatically get given. So right here. Wow, it's still loading. Okay, let's stop, let's maximize, and I think yeah, now. So as you can see, this is the animated planet, and let's put this skybox prefab. I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna go to my scenes and space. And we're in space. Okay, so if you don't know what I want to do, I want to do an alien from another world who's coming down and doing that. So I want to create a type of him crashing into a planet. So I know what asset I need to download for the planet. So package manager, and let's go to planets. No, polyplanets. No. This is just what I wanted. Let's import this. One Potato Kingdom. That's a really interesting name, actually. One Potato Kingdom. Okay, so this has a lot of planets. So, okay, now that we're done with this, let's go. So I'm gonna now go to assets, and this is a rotation script. So this is what I did for the other one. So let's just do this. Okay, I think I know what to do. Let me download I downloaded it, so now I'm going to get to planets Earth-like. So I want this. Let's go and let's see. Does this look anything like it? It looks like there's no directional light in this scene. Things are pretty dark here, so I think this looks much better. Okay. So I'm gonna move like this. And let's actually change where this directional light is pointing, because I kind of want light to fall in this direction. Okay, now let's go to Earth-like design. Okay, so I think it's gonna be like this. Okay, let's put our main camera, and let's set our main camera to wherever our Earth-like design thing is. Okay, I think I went too far. First of all, let's see where Earth-like design is. Okay, I think I'll move right here. And I'll just be moving forward. Earth-like. Main camera. So it looks like the main camera is way up. Way higher. Okay. Yep, we've crossed it. And I'm going to just move this in. And let's get to our planet. Okay, so I'm just going to set it right. Okay, I believe that it's set. Now let's move on. Okay. I want this guy to rotate, so let's go to bonus assets, rotation. Let's copy the rotator right here. And now this guy has a rotation script, I believe. And mesh object, this guy, and his rotation. I'm just going to set that to 10, 10, and 10. Now let's go to rotation speed, 10. Randomize yes. Max speed, 20. Minimum speed, 9. Let's just see if that works. Okay, it looks like it works straight off the bat. I like that. And let's also make a moon. So I'm gonna think of a good moon. Let's go to prefabs, planets, alien. Nope, maybe not alien, desert, no. Frozen? Yeah, cold planets. So I want kind of this one. This planet's going to be like a tundra planet. But this won't really be a planet because this will be representing our moon. So yeah, I think that works. Now let's just get him to here. And let's give this guy a trail. So effects to give a trail. And let's make, I'm just going to see if this works. I'm also going to add the rotator script. Rotate. And this time, let's go 20. 20. 20. And let's set our mesh object to this one. Now, rotation speed 20. Randomize yes. Max speed 30. 303. No. 30. And minimum speed 20. Actually, minimum speed 10. That's a normal. Okay, I think there's a chance it'll work straight off the bat. And it looks like it does. So that's good to know, except it's not so good to know that this trail is way too large. I think this works better. Maybe a little bit thinner. And I think that this is how it's supposed to look. Yeah. Okay, I have no idea what I'm trying. I think that this would fare quite well. Okay, so now let's just make this moon rotate at 30. I just want him to go rotate a little bit faster. So let's set the max speed to 100. So now I can change this to 50. Or I can change this to anything I want. So 50, I think. I hope that works. Yeah. 50 actually works fine for me. And it looks like this turned out just as I wanted. Now to get what else I want. So now I need a UFO. So I'm going to go to my thing and I'm going to type in Unity Asset Store. Okay. This. And I'm going to search for UFO, and free assets. Free. Okay. We got this. This is a tutorial. Okay, maybe I'm getting a little bit out of hand, but I kind of like these. So I'm going to get a few and I'm going to... So I think the UAV Trident looked quite well. More like an alien ship, so I think that would work. Okay, so UAV Trident. Let's see. Let me see this scene first. Okay, maybe not the scene. Let's see. Let's go to this. And yeah, that looks quite cool. Okay, so I'm just going to go back now. So I'm going to go to my scenes and let's go back to space. Okay, now let's add our UAV trident thing. I'm just going to search for UAV trident. So I think I got it. Yes, right here. And let's go to this. Where is the main camera? Okay, well, that is quite far. Okay, well, first I need to find where our planet is. So I think that the trident isn't too far. Now, let's just align this. Okay, I think I set it. I think that now it's just a little too big. Yep, let's set it smaller and let's see how that looks. Yeah, that looks quite good. And it just crashes in. I think that'll work. Okay, so now our next thing is let's add a collider. A sphere this time. And this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to add this guy. So he will have a box collider and a rigid body he'll have a rigid body, and so the rigid body will be so that he can hit stuff. So and I'm gonna try and put a trigger on this guy. So immediately when he hits, it'll take us to the Sun Temple. Okay, let me first edit this guy. So he will be like this. This is about how big it is. And this is how thin it is. So yeah, just like this. And let's also add some code in for this guy to move. So I want to add a code. So I'm going to go to Assets and create a C# script. And let's call this move. What? And okay. I'm just going to put it in here. So let's X this out. And I'm just going to type a bit of code. And let's see. So, okay, so I wrote the code. Now let's see how this turns out. First, let's see where this trident is. Okay. Now let's now maximize on play. And let's he disappears. Let's see. So it looks like it might be going down. So let's change this. So let's, instead of making it go here, let's try here. Okay, CTRL, not D, CS. Okay, and I'm gonna go back. Okay, so now let's test this out again. Okay, let's see where this guy went this time. Interesting. I think I know why. I think it's because of gravity. So now let's test it without gravity. Okay, so it looks like the guy's not moving right now because maybe I need to assign the script. So let's assign our script. Move, assign, and I think it's already set. Okay. So it looks like he's not moving. I think that could be because he will not. I think it's because the rigid body may be not selected. So let me see. Rigid body. Rigid body is clearly selected. Let's see. Okay, set the object to default. Now let's test it out. It looks like it did work. So let's just see where it went. Okay. Let's play. And if that's not the case, let's demaximize and see where it can went. So it looks like it went pretty far. Let's go back to where it is. And I think it was going the other way. So let's make this a minus S. And let's test it out. Let's see where it could have went this time. Can't really see where it is. Okay, you can like barely see. So I think that means that we need to put some constraints, all rotation constraints. And let's not keep this. Let's keep this at 0.5. to be able to see where this is going. So now let's see, where is this going? Okay, let's set it. So double to float. So that means that all I need to do is add an F, and let's save it. Okay, now let's go. Okay, I think what I wanted to do worked. Now let's just make this much smaller. So let's put a 0 on it. Let's save this. And now you should actually be able to see it happen. Okay. So it worked just as I wanted. Now let's put a save script. So now let's put a trigger, and I'll do the trigger part later. So that's pretty much it. We just constructed the base of what our space scene, which will be an alien, will be. So if you want to see the next part, please comment and like. Bye, and tell me what the astronaut thing is. Bye.